Hi there! Jamf Remote Assist allows admins to securely initiate a remote screen sharing session to manage computers and help users troubleshoot issues. Let's go through a quick overview of Jamf Remote Assist. To begin, Jamf Remote Assist must be enabled in Settings. Let's navigate to Settings, Computer Management, Security. Click Edit. Under Automatically Install a Privacy Preferences Policy Control Profile, select the Jamf Remote Assist checkbox and then click Save. With this enabled, let's test it out. For this example, I'm navigating to the inventory record of my test computer. In the Management tab, click Start Session under Remote Assist. When a session is started, the user receives a prompt on their computer to allow or decline the remote session. Once connected, admins are able to interact with the user's computer, including the ability to download or upload logs and files in order to help resolve any issues. In the Commands section of the Jamf Remote Assist window, admins have shortcuts to open Settings, open Terminal, and reboot the computer. To end the session, close the Jamf Remote Assist window, and the user will see a summary message showing them that the session has ended. Admins who want to audit the use of Jamf Remote Assist can view session logs by navigating to the History tab of a computer record and scrolling down to Remote Assist Session Logs. Here we can see the 100 most recent Jamf Remote Assist sessions. If we click the Settings icon in the top right, we can reorder the columns and pin columns left or right. Clicking the Creator ID brings us to the Jamf Pro user account that started the session, while clicking the Device ID brings us directly to the computer record. That's all for our quick overview of Jamf Remote Assist. Be sure to check out the links in the resources to review the requirements to use Jamf Remote Assist in your environment. Thanks for watching.